Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A1, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So first you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features like Bluetooth if you don't need the Bluetooth right now, disable nearby share if you don't need it right now, disable mobile network if you need only Wi-Fi now. I don't know, disable personal hotspot because it's consuming a lot of battery power. Disable NFC if you don't plan to pay during 5-15 minutes, I don't know. So if you don't need to pay right now, you can enable NFC when you will want to pay, and it's safer and it's not reducing the battery power, so it's always a good idea to disable NFC. Disable OPPO share and disable auto brightness. Disable the auto brightness and reduce the brightness of your screen. And great. And then, of course, you need to open the battery, scroll down here in the battery, choose power saving mode, enable it, and of course, now our device will work longer using the battery, of course, and you can always enable the super power saving mode, and using the super power saving mode your device will live really longer. For example, this 80%, my device will live 2 days. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!